video. So today's video is about how to make your own sunburst mirror that costs only $7. Have you ever wanted a pretty sunburst mirror and then you started shop online and you figured the one that you like costs like $50, $100, or $150, and then you just felt like, I don't really want to spend that much money on a mirror. Well, that's why I decided to make my own sunburst mirror. So the first thing you'll need to do is to make a decision on the style. You can get lots of inspirations from Google Image or Pinterest. Well, as for me, I am just gonna go with the minimalism style, like not too much stuff on it, because I think it'll fit in my bedroom better. I don't want it to be too complicated and then it gets too heavy, as I'm planning to use command strips to hang on the wall and I don't want to worry about it gonna fall down, which could be dangerous. So anyway, after you make your decision, we just need to get some supplies. I ordered a bag of wood sticks, 10-inch mirror, and an E6000 glue online from Michaels. I always shop with coupons. I saved like $5 and only paid $6.77 in total. I chose this can of wood stick with a sharp end, and I spray painted them into gold. I think it turned out really good. It keeps this wooden texture and has this gorgeous gold color. Now it's time to glue. If you really want them to be in a perfect circle, you can draw a circle and the lines in a polar array at first, but I'm okay with the imperfection, so I'm just gonna do it like this. After gluing all the wood sticks on the mirror, I also use a hot glue gun to add more glue on top of them again. Just want to make this super secured. And after this, you're good to go.